Hello everybody, back again with another video with a brand new 2020 Topps Fire Baseball Target exclusive. We got 3 blasters, 7 packs per box, plus a special gold minted parallel pack, 4 cards per pack. So without further ado, here we go. Always a fun product. Of course, you can only get it at Target, like I said. Should be out available now if you can find it. This is a product that you actually might be able to find out there on the shelves. It's a really neat product every year. I think it's fun. You're not gonna make a financial killing off of this if that's your interest, but otherwise, it's a really fun break. All the rookies are in there, tons of inserts and parallels. There's a Dustin May. They've got a little bit different design in the base set. As you can see here, I think there's 3 different designs. These are all base cards right here. Not holding our breath that we get as lucky as we did last year. If you go back to last year's Topps Fire break that I did, pulled a magenta number /25 Vladimir Guerrero Jr. rookie card autograph. That was out of the larger boxes. There's also a larger box you can get. I think it's $70. I want to say $70. Guarantees an autograph and a relic. There's no guarantees in the blaster boxes, and the autographs are 1 in 400 packs, I believe, out of here. So definitely not holding my breath for that. And all autographs, I believe, are sticker autographs in this product. Nice looking insert there, Gleyber Torres. So pretty much the biggest thing I'm looking for is probably parallels of the rookies, of the rookie cards. There's a green numbered /199. There's a Kyle Lewis rookie. This is the gold minted pack, 4 parallels, all gold foil. And we'll keep it moving on here. Next box. There you go. Look at that one. That's one of the ones we're looking for. There's another one, Aquino rookie. Nice. There's the big one though. Luis Robert rookie card. So hopefully we can get a parallel of one of these cards here. Luis Robert rookies. But that's a nice one right there. Of course, looking for Gavin Lux, Bo Bichette as well. I did have another box. I opened one box off camera. Did pull the Bo Bichette rookie card. Oh, looky there. There's another one. Yordan Alvarez. Look at that. That's the parallel right there. Not numbered. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what we're looking for. That's one of the more common ones. Let's see. I believe that's the flame one. 1 in 4. I want to say that's what it is. Nice, Yordan Alvarez. Unfortunately, he's out for the year, but hopefully he'll come back strong next year. Nice, nice, nice. This set's really grown on me the past couple of years. Something that just take you back to enjoying the hobby. Something fun, something neat, you know? Not everything has to be a super high graded Mega Mojo box busting auto relic card. Like, it's okay to just enjoy the cards and collect the cards. People are kind of forgetting that here lately. Pretty neat picture. Sleeveless. Nice. Mike Trout. Shattering Stats insert. Doug Flaherty. So I believe Stadium Club's coming out, I believe, this week also. So sure hope I can find some of that somewhere. Yeah, it's going to be another amazing looking set this year. So hopefully they'll leave some of those on the shelf. That's nice. I'm excited about that Yordan Alvarez parallel. Pete Alonso parallel. George Springer. And we're down to our last box here. Nice. There's another one of those fire parallel, or not fire, but flame parallels. These are not numbered, but look at that card. Beautiful. Mike Trout. There's a Vlad Guerrero. Aforementioned Vlad Guerrero. Aroldis Chapman. Insert. Lindor. There's another parallel. Eugenio Suarez. That one's numbered to 299. That's what I love the parallels in this set. The foil parallels. Acuna. Blackman rookie. Or parallel, gold parallel. Not rookie, obviously. Just got rookies on the mind. Buster Posey, flame, parallel. So you can probably get one of those flames in every box at least. I think we got 2 in that one, matter of fact. Kershaw. In our last pack. Tony Gwynn. No parallels, no rookies to speak of in that one. The Kim Gold rookie. Strasburg, Kluber, and Austin Nola. There we go. That's it. 3 blasters of Topps Fire. I think you're at the bigger boxes. It's kind of known as the hobby boxes, even though they're only available at Target. With the autograph and the guaranteed relic. Probably your best bet. Anything, if you're looking for kind of that chasing the hits, what have you. But like I said, you kind of know what you're going to get with Topps Fire. Probably your kids would probably love this. Be good for them to get into. But man, personally for me, like I love it. I love the set. It's past couple of years, it's really grown on me, like I said. So there it is out there. Only at Target. Go out there. Good luck. Hopefully we'll find some Stadium Club and be bringing that to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.